Gabriel.
What's up, man?
You're not gonna film me, are you?
You're on film right now.
What's that?
You're on this guy's camera.
Oh, okay.
Well, you're on his camera too.
You guys connect cameras?
You're gonna jump from Ronnie yet?
Hey, these two guys were walking down the sidewalk. We're all said,
Get out here. We're drinking.
okay. One of them said, hey, stop. He looks down. He picks it up. He goes, oh, smells like it. Tastes like it. Good thing we didn't step in it. Is this your buddy?
No.
5-3, copy.
Did you have to check in yet, Gabriel?
What?
Did you get remanded yet? Not yet.
What are you talking about?
For your Ventura thing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
For your pepper spray, the one that you got from the gym.
Can you explain?
I don't know, the thing you put on your video.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about, man. What video?
You're on probation, right?
What are you talking about?
Probation?
What are you talking about?
Are you on probation?
What are you talking about?
42, yeah.
Go ahead.
What's he talking
I'll be
about?
out with Gabriel Rosa, Wells Fargo. Can you start in a second?
Is that allowed?
What? Yeah, he can record.
You can film
Stay
you?
firm. 5-3. Prior to the other traffic. Can you
Hey, Gabriel, are you on probation?
I don't answer questions without my attorney present.
For your terms, you have to submit to search
30.
and
You
seizure.
want a different DR for this one?
I don't answer questions without my attorney present.
30 April.
I thought it's illegal to film people.
No, you can film in public. There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay, I just take off now?
Can you start in circle?
Yeah, you can leave.
Temper, copy.
Hey, Gabriel, do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
I don't answer questions without my attorney present.
All right, Gabriel, when my partner gets here, I'm going to search you because you have probation search, so we're allowed to do that.
Nice. I've been waiting. Go ahead.
Okay.
I've been waiting to see when they were gonna pull something.
When we're going to search you for what you signed, probation terms.
So Magana here, Officer Magana is pissed off that I was recording him. So now he's gonna retaliate by searching me. Now he's gonna retaliate by searching me. He's waiting for a second unit. That's cool. I've been waiting to document something like this. Go ahead.
That's fine.
Do what you gotta do.
I'm just making sure you're in compliance with your probation.
No, what Magana is doing is using my probation as an excuse to retaliate and to target me. I wasn't breaking any laws. I wasn't associated with this call. He's doing this because he wanted to.
That's it. It's a very common thing.
Yeah, sure thing, dude. Magana here, he's always had a stick up his ass about me. He doesn't like what I do.
I like what you do.
Yeah, bullshit, man. You're a f***ing scumbag.
Why am I scumbag?
You're a f***ing scumbag, and you know it.
Huh?
You know it.
Because I'm doing my job, Gabriel?
Yeah, you're hassling me for no reason. You know I'm a law-abiding citizen. You know I'm a law-abiding citizen, and you're still hassling me for no reason.
So you got found guilty for illegally for pepper spraying someone not
Law-abiding citizen.
and you got probation in it, and for that probation you have search terms. So
And this guy, you just couldn't wait to search me, right? That's what this is about, right? You just couldn't wait to try to hem me up.
You've had probation for a while, and I haven't hemmed you up.
You just couldn't wait. You've been waiting for the opportunity, man. Pissed off cop right here. That's all this is. Like I give a shit. What do you think you're gonna find, man?
I don't know. I'm gonna make sure you're in compliance with your probation.
Sure. Look at Magana over here. So I pulled up. He's giving this guy a ticket.
Yeah.
He starts talking to me. I don't really answer his questions. So he gets upset. And then he's like, all right, I'm going to search you because you're on probation.
Ronnie, have I ever been mean to you? Have I ever been mean to you?
He just gave you a ticket, dude.
Never.
You're f***ing clueless too, dude. Wow.
You're supposed to drink in public here. I was drinking in public. He gave me the right ticket.
This cop's had it. This is Officer Magana. He's had a stick up his ass about me.
What? What do you mean? How'd you even get here with that pole?
It's okay, Ronnie. I'll talk to him right now. You're good if you want to keep going.
Okay.
So he's waiting on a second unit because he wants to put on a show for everyone out here.
I don't know why you're upset, Gabriel.
What a bitch, dude. You're a bitch.
Why are you upset?
Just a bitch ass cop. That's all you are.
Because you're on
Pissed off,
probation?
dude,
I'm
with a
not
gun and a
mad at
badge. Pissed off, dude. Why are you searching me then?
Because you're
Why?
on probation.
Okay, what? Do
I
you
search
suspect
a
me
lot
of
of
having
people on
some
probation.
having something?
I don't know. We'll find out.
No,
Do you have
exactly. You
anything on
don't. You just want to hem me up. That's what you're doing right
You
now.
walked up to me, Gabriel. You're on
Exactly.
probation. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
because this is what I do. I document you guys when you guys do
That's
dumb
fine.
shit.
You can keep documenting.
I will. I'm gonna continue to document this shit.
Okay.
Think you're scaring me or something? This doesn't
trying to
scare
scare
me.
you. I'm just checking
Bullshit.
for your probation.
Bullshit. You're trying to get a
I'm not.
bullshit. 3 units here now. You don't want to search my shoes? Take off my socks?
Where's your car, Gabriel? I'm gonna search your car too. Do you have anything in your car that's gonna poke or stick me?
I don't answer questions without my attorney present.
You want to take this back?
So you're detained. Hang out here. I'm gonna search your car. Where's your car at? You can go and view if you want to record me, but I'm not gonna let you get access to your car.
I don't answer questions without my
Okay, then
attorney
stay
present.
here. You're detained. Okay. You have search terms per your probation. I'm searching you per probation.
All right.
I'll be right here.
I do have a skill saw in there. Is that a dangerous weapon?
Hey, you're too close. You need to back up. You're gonna go to jail.
I'm designated.
You are distracting everybody from doing their job.
Right here. This is a safe distance. Perfect. That is absolutely fine. But I'm absolutely able to see within the back of the trunk. I'm able to see within the back of the trunk right now.
Want to pop the hood too?
No.
You sure?
I have an illegal engine mod,
You might, but I don't know anything about that.
but that might violate
Hey, get ready to
probation.
go. Vehicle checked out
Race
there.
away
You're
from you
good.
guys.
So right now you're in compliance with the probation, so you're good. The keys are down top of your car. All right. Cool. See you later. All right, we're good, Jake. We're good.
Checks you guys pull down the badge. Like the officer in what was that, AG or Pismo? I used to be a friend of his.
Magana's been waiting to do this to me.